Earth is the third planet from the Sun in our solar system. It's very special because it's the only planet where plants, animals, and people live. Earth is often called the blue planet because when you see it from far away in space, it looks mostly blue. This is all thanks to the huge amount of water on its surface. About 71% of Earth's surface is covered by water. Most of this water is in our big oceans, but there are also lakes, rivers, and even ice at the very cold North and South poles. The other 29% of Earth is land. This land is home to tall mountains, beautiful forests, dry deserts, and bustling cities where many people live. Earth has 7 very large land areas called continents: Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica, Europe, and Australia. Each one is a huge piece of land with many different countries, animals, and plants. Earth's water is mostly found in 5 huge oceans: the Pacific, Atlantic, Indian, Southern, and Arctic oceans. These oceans are incredibly deep and are home to countless amazing sea creatures. Earth is always spinning around an invisible line called an axis. This spin takes about 24 hours and is why we have day and night. When your side of Earth faces the sun, it's daytime, and when it faces away, it's night. Earth also moves in a huge circle around the sun. This takes about 365 days, which is exactly how long one whole year is. Earth's invisible axis is tilted a little bit. This special tilt causes all our seasons, spring, summer, fall, and winter, because different parts of Earth get more or less sunlight throughout the year. Earth has a cozy blanket of gases around it called the atmosphere. This amazing blanket keeps the air we breathe right here with us and protects us from the sun's strong, dangerous rays. The atmosphere is mostly made of 2 gases: nitrogen, which makes up about 78%, and oxygen, which is about 21%. All animals and people need oxygen to breathe and live. Earth has one natural moon, which we simply call the moon. It shines brightly at night by reflecting the sun's light, and even causes the ocean tides to rise and fall. The moon travels around Earth once every 29 days. This journey is why the moon seems to change its shape in the sky throughout the month, from a tiny sliver to a full, bright circle. Earth's land is incredibly diverse in many places. There are towering mountains, wide, peaceful valleys, hot, sprawling deserts, and thick, vibrant forests that provide homes for countless animals and plants. The tallest mountain on Earth is Mount Everest. It's over 8,848 meters, or 29,029 feet tall. That's even higher than where most airplanes fly. The deepest place on Earth is the Mariana Trench, found in the Pacific Ocean. It plunges over 11,000 meters, or 36,000 feet deep. That's deeper than Mount Everest is tall. Many different animals live on Earth, from the tiniest ants crawling on the ground to the enormous whales swimming in the ocean. Earth is bursting with life because it has just the right air, water, and temperature for everyone. People live all over Earth, in big cities, cozy towns, and peaceful villages. People around the world speak many different languages and celebrate many beautiful and unique cultures. Earth's weather and climate change a lot from place to place. Some areas are very hot and dry, like deserts, while others are very cold and icy, like the North and South poles. Earth is made up of different layers, just like an onion. The very outer layer is the crust, where we live. Below that is the hot mantle, and then the super hot outer core and inner core, made of molten and solid metal. Sometimes, Earth's crust moves suddenly, causing earthquakes that shake the ground. Volcanoes happen when superhot melted rock, called magma, bursts out through cracks in the crust. Earth has a special magnetic field that acts like an invisible shield. It protects us from tiny harmful particles coming from the sun, and even helps animals like birds find their way when they travel long distances. People use amazing tools like satellites in space, fast airplanes, and deep-diving submarines to explore and learn even more about Earth's vast lands, mysterious oceans, and changing weather. Earth is the only planet known to have liquid water on its surface, which is incredibly important because all living things, from tiny plants to big animals, need water to survive and thrive. Because Earth is our beautiful home, full of incredible life, it's super important for all of us to take good care of it. We can help by keeping the air clean, saving water, planting more trees, and protecting all the amazing animals.